Hi, my name is Oskar. I'm the co-founder and CEO here at NodeGraph. I'm super excited that you would like to watch the demo of NodeGraph. Just keep in mind, this is a Qlik demo, but of course, we will perform if it's Power BI or Tableau. It will work automatically as always. Thank you for watching and never hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.
This is the NodeGraph landing or start page. NodeGraph works for both Qlik View and Qlik Sense, and everything's being done automatically within NodeGraph. So once it's set up, NodeGraph will automatically pull data from your metadata, Qlik script logs, and Qlik Sense repository. There are two different tracks within NodeGraph, Data Atlas and Data Quality Manager. Data Quality Manager automatically tests data. It can perform regression and unit testing, and also baseline tests of a Qlik Sense application. For instance, it can validate the value that you have in your Qlik Sense application compared to a value that you have in your database. Now we will focus on Data Atlas, which is about the journey of the data. There are 4 different modules in here: the Data Catalog, Dependency Explorer, Field Explorer, and Reports. Let's begin with the Dependency Explorer. This is where NodeGraph visualises your entire Qlik solution, all the way from your data sources here on the left, to your QVDs, and your end user application. Let's say that you would like to understand where the data in your sales application is coming from. Select the sales application. Choose Hide Unrelated Nodes in order to reduce your view and only see the related data, and you can instantly see where that data is coming from. You don't just see it on a file level, but can also view it on a field level, meaning that if we expand here, you can see tables, and if we expand again, you can see fields. Now let's understand where this field ship date comes from. If we highlight it and choose Hide Unrelated Nodes, you can instantly see where this field is coming from. It's coming from the SQL Prod database through a couple of different QVDs. And if we expand here as well, you can see the full lineage for this field. Now you can see that ship date is actually a combination of 3 different fields in the transform step. And they are coming from 2 different QVDs in the extract step. Ultimately, it's coming from a table called orders in the SQL Prod database. Now you've identified where the data is coming from. But what if you would like to have even more information on a detailed level? You can automatically move over to the NodeGraph Field Explorer, shown here as Explore Field. Select it and a new window will pop up. Here, NodeGraph has collected the full Qlik script that has been used to create this field. All the way from the bottom here, where it loads from the database through transform and extract, the last thing it does is an if statement using 3 different fields as shipped date. So exactly as we saw here, in the Dependency Explorer, we can now see it in a more detailed level here in the Field Explorer. An important thing to note is that in Qlik View and Qlik Sense, it is very flexible to create new data in the interface using expressions. If you would like to understand what is going on there, you can turn on Application Content. Now there's a new swim lane popping up with your content. Let's work with the Products application. Hide Unrelated Nodes, expand, and now NodeGraph will list different sheets or tabs that you have in that application. If we open one of them, you can see the different types of objects. For example, bar charts, list boxes, or it could be extensions or something similar. And if we expand again, you will see the different objects. In here, there is one bar chart object, which is called Average Unit Price per Product. If we expand again, you see dimensions and expressions, and by opening up expression, you can actually see that there is a logic saying average unit price times units in stock creates what is called average unit price. So if you want to understand exactly where this data is coming from, select it hide unrelated nodes, expand here, and now you can see exactly where this data is coming from. As easy as that. The Dependency Explorer can also be used for impact analysis. For instance, say a database administrator wants to change something in the prod database, in the table or view, called orders. You want to know what will happen in Qlik View or Qlik Sense. To find out, simply select Orders, hide unrelated nodes, and you can instantly see what will be affected and the impact on your Qlik estate. NodeGraph will automatically list everything that's going on in your Qlik solution, not only data sources in terms of databases, but also Excel files. For example, if you would like to understand which Excel files you are using where. In this case, there is an Excel file here, hide unrelated node, and you can see where the data is going. Like this. So that was the Dependency Explorer. Now we'll briefly show the NodeGraph Data Catalogue, which is an extremely powerful search function that automatically collects and catalogues all assets in your Qlik estate. It not only collects applications and QVDs, but also data sources, fields, expressions, dimensions, and master items. Let's imagine you would like to find a sales application. Begin by typing sale in the search box, and the data catalogue will automatically populate what is related to this term. By using the filter here on the left, under Node Types, you can choose that you wish to find only Qlik View applications with the word sale in it. NodeGraph will instantly display only your Qlik View applications relating to the word sale. From here, we can move directly into the asset for a quick overview. If you open it further, you will see more information around this application called Sales. For example, you can see how your colleagues have rated this application, or you could create a comment to add more information. By expanding details, you can see what data sources have already been used to create this application. And from here, you can also move directly to Dependency Explorer or Field Explorer. The NodeGraph Data Catalogue is a very powerful search and collaboration engine that you can use to learn more about your data. So this brings us to the end of the NodeGraph demo. Thank you for listening.